Hey everybody, this is Drill Guy doing a little bit of not so home improvement this time, except maybe some RV improvement. We've got a used rPOD that we just picked up short time ago, and we noticed that it does not have the insect screens on the furnace. This is not a good thing. You get wasps and whatnots, mice, whatever in there. So Camco happens to make a flying insect screen. Here's the packaging. May look familiar. We're going to go ahead and get those installed, and it looks like it comes with this fancy installation tool, a couple of these screens, small enough to keep the wasps and whatnots out. So I'm going to get those put in today. Looks like it's a pretty simple process. You're just gonna hook the spring, little spring here inside the screen. Like so. And pass the tool through the front. Alright, so here we go. We've got the tool set up. Push the tool through the screen. Hook it on the outlet vent crossbar. Oh, almost. It's like a game of operation or something. Hook that on there. I think it would be preferable if you were to hook it corner to corner. Alright, I got it reset, and the hook's centered up, tool in the right place. Just can't seem to quite get it catty corner. And just gonna try to push it into the position. Yeah, this is tricky. Nah. So here's what I intended. I don't know if you can actually see that in there, but I want to get that hook on the opposite corner so that it doesn't want to slide around. But got that one all hooked up. Let me get the other one in spot. All right, so I've positioned it, and I'm not sure you can see it, but I'm using the tool, push it back behind, get it hooked. This one actually has a hole in the middle, making it pretty easy to just hook that hole and keep it from sliding around. But if you wanted to, you get your tool in the right spot, hook the wire, push it in. Yeah, looks like the tool's done. The wire's not actually long enough maybe to crisscross, but that one's hooked in that middle hole, so it's not going to go anywhere. Looks good. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more.